going to go through another tunnel. This one's extremely short compared to the tunnel we went through yesterday. I believe there's one more tunnel later on that's also a short one like this. Guess I didn't need to mount the headlight after all. I thought it might be a little dark in here, but there are some patches of really deep or soft gravel. Ooh, I can feel the cool air. That's kind of neat to see down at the other end, the trees and everything. It is very cool in here. See how this would look on a camera. The trees and everything don't come through on the camera, it's just a bright light. Let's see if I get a little closer. That looks. I hear some thunder out there. Let's keep going. It is getting a little, I can see some dark clouds up there. And hear some thunder, even though we do have some blue skies still. If it starts looking too menacing, I'm going to look for a place to camp, set up camp, or at least a place for shelter. But it has gotten considerably darker since we started this morning. It was really pretty warm. Let me put this flashlight away. Didn't really need it. It was really warm this morning. I think my little thermometer here on my key ring showed up near 80, up near in the 80s. Now it's around the 70s. Yikes, this road got a little rough over here. You might hear I've got a bunch of little things kind of on a key ring. Thermometer, compass, whistle, just little trinkets almost, survival type trinkets. And they, sorry, I'm kind of watching this road here. after I saw that black bear yesterday, I decided, I didn't want to surprise or come up on a bear and surprise it. If I came around a turn. So this kind of just jingles a little bit. It's not meant to scare the bear off or anything, just so it knows there's somebody nearby. Kind of just to let it know, give it a little warning that we're in the area, so I don't surprise it, startle it. There are a lot of pine trees up ahead. If it does start raining pretty hard, we can park underneath them. They actually work quite well, I found. Actually, I think Bonnie Decavalis, family member, she told me about the pine trees, that they work well for shelter. Big umbrellas, kind of. But I like that it's cooling down like this. I like riding in this weather, especially knowing that as I go east, it'll be warming up a bit as I leave the Cascade mountain range. So I should enjoy this weather as much as possible. I'm going to turn the camera off and keep on trotting ahead. Wow, you want to talk about a conveniently placed tunnel and good timing? When we came in that entrance down there, seemed kind of sunny, nice day. Got to this entrance, we started hearing thunder, overcast, a little windy. Made it about a half a mile down the trail, and I decided, this doesn't look good. And so came back to the tunnel as quick as we could, as quick as I could. The dogs were happy to get back here. And it's coming down pretty good now. It's raining pretty good. So we might be here a while. I'm making lunch, just some ramen noodles, kind of quick and easy, and some coffee. And the dogs, I think, are happy to be inside their little tent, where they're cozy. But, it's actually kind of nice, and I'm just happy that this tunnel happened to be here, and at this time. It's a short tunnel, but it's you never know when somebody is watching out for you, and I appreciate it. Gonna enjoy the rain. And a little bite to eat, and then just kind of relax and see how long this storm lasts. If it lasts all day, then this is where we will be camping for the night. I don't think anybody from the Forest Service will mind, or if they drive through and see us here, with this weather. So anyway, I'm gonna get back to cooking, if that's what I can call it, and I will talk to you guys later.